reason for us visiting Aruba today, where we spoke with the parliament and a representative of the government here in Oranistan, is to seek support from the political authorities here in Aruba with regards to our plight. As you know, in 2024, March of 2024, there was a consultation between the government of the Netherlands, represented by then State Secretary Alexander van Huffelen, and the three islands of Bonaire, St Eustatius and Saba, with regards to changes that must come about, in the fall best and fin best. Those are the laws that govern the public entities. There were far-reaching agreement. I think that everybody did not get what they want, but there was an understanding. So there was a so-called afsprakenlijst. And then once the new government sat, and the person of Sabo, the then State Secretary, he basically put it aside, and then later went back and take up different components. For instance, one of them was to strengthen the support staff of both the governor as well as the Griffie, and also the issue of the Dutch representative in these islands. We felt that that was unacceptable, because you make an agreement, and if agreements were reached, then if you wanted to make changes in this, then you had to be able to have the input and consult the islands in question. Now recently, we went to Holland. We had meetings with them before Sabo left. He said he was not negotiating with the Island Council, that his play partner were the executive councils. But we indicated to him that we were there as Island Council and the executive council, and so that meeting did not go well. We know with the fall of the government in the Netherlands that a change came about. There's now a new state secretary, and to our great surprise, some weeks ago, they spoke of internet consultation, and what we took note of is that all what they want to change, including the role of the Dutch representative in these islands, but we realized that they even added more responsibility. For instance, that person will be able to participate in meetings of the Executive and Island Council. He's even able to overrule certain decisions of the government. We see already that at this point in time, when decisions are taken by the Executive and Island Council, that it is subject to the approval of the Kingdom representative. For us, that is unacceptable. That is actually touching the fundamental tenets of our democracy. We feel in the 21st century something like this is unacceptable.